Hello everyone, welcome to Quick and Easy Cooking. Today we are going to do a fan favorite by Taco Bell, and it's the Crunch Wrap Supreme. Now I'm doing a kit because I want everybody to see that they make a kit for this. It's the Taco Bell Crunch Wrap Supreme. Now every store is different. I know they carry it at Walmart's and Kroger's, the Crunch Wrap Supreme. So definitely check your local grocery area and see if they carry this Crunch Wrap Supreme kit. It has a lot of the stuff to make it. Now you will have to buy the lettuce, sour cream, tomatoes, and whatever burger or turkey or chicken if you're going to put into your Crunch Wrap. You would have to buy your meat. But for this video, we are using hamburger and it's ground round. You will need a head of lettuce. I'm using Iceberg, sour cream, and we're using tomatoes. The first step that I'm going to do is I'm going to take our meat that I have over there and I'm going to put it into a fry pan and I'm going to start to fry the meat. While the meat is frying, because I'm going to start the hamburger right now, and while the meat is frying, I'm going to cut up our tomatoes, I'm going to shred our lettuce and get that started as well. Now here is my ground beef that I've got in a fry pan. I've cooked it on up, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the seasoning packet on in that's inside the kit. Now what I've also done is I've chopped up our tomatoes and I'm going to chop up our lettuce. Now I wanted to say too, if you don't have any ground beef in your fridge, you can pair this with chicken or turkey. You don't have to use beef if you don't want to. You can pair this with any meat that you like. Now I wanted to show you what you get inside the kit. And the kit's kind of cool. You get 4 Tostada Shells, 4 of these big flour tortillas that I've got right here. You get the cheese sauce, which is Velveeta cheese. Okay. And you also get the taco mix right here, Taco Bell's seasoning mix. So you get all this, the 4 soft tortillas, the Velveeta cheese, the original taco seasoning mix, and 4 Tostada Shells. And that's to make the crunch wrap. Like I say, you'll have to use sour cream, tomatoes, your beef of your choice or your meat of your choice, and also lettuce. Now what I've got here is my tomatoes are diced up, and I also have my lettuce shredded. I like my lettuce shredded. Now I cleaned off my lettuce, washed it, pat dry, and then I shredded it on up. Now here is my taco meat. I put the taco seasoning mix in, and it says for 3/4 cups of water. But I don't like to use all that water in this meat. I like to leave some of that seasoning on because I think that when you put a lot of the water, it kind of like takes the seasoning off the meat and it doesn't give it that taste. So if you want to adjust your water and not put 3/4 cups in, by all means do that. Now what I'm going to do is, here's our tostada shells. They're in our wrapper right here. I'm going to take the wrapper off and I'm going to put these in our toaster oven, and I'm just going to put them on for a couple minutes just to take the staleness out kind of way and make them crunchy. That way they're soft to eat. I just wanted to say that these Crunch Wrap Supreme kits, they make 4. They make 4 of these Crunch Wrap Supremes. So you get 4. Now this is our Velveeta cheese that they put into the kit, and I just put it in the microwave for 30 seconds and see how it heats up. It heats up real good. Now this is my grill at the side of my stove right here, and I sprayed it just with a little bit of Pam. And what we're going to do is we are going to take the flour tortillas, the big flour tortillas, and we're going to heat them up in the microwave for like 10 seconds because you have to be able to bend the tortilla So that's the reason why we have to heat up the tortilla to be able to put all the ingredients on in. Now I do want to say that you do not want to overstuff these, because if you overstuff these, they're very hard to close. So we want to make sure that we seal it good. What you do is you take your soft flour shell, your tortilla right here, you heat it up for about 15 seconds. It took in my microwave, so that way it's pliable, that way you can bend it. You're going to put your meat on, you're going to put the cheese on, and then you're going to put the tostada shell. Okay? Now I have the cheese on. See how I've got the cheese on? I just did 2 tablespoons of cheese around the meat right there. Now you're going to put your tostada shell on. See how I have the tostada shell on? Now what you're going to do is you're going to put sour cream on. That's the next step, is to put sour cream. Now I have our sour cream on. I've got a little bit additional right here because I really do like sour cream. Then you're going to top it with lettuce and tomato. Now I have our lettuce and our tomato right there. As you can see, I've got our lettuce and tomato. Now what I'm going to do is I've got our grill on. I'm waiting it to heat up. Now I did spray it with some Pam, and I'm going to start putting this together. I'm going to fold this together. Now see how I have this shape of our crunch wrap right here? What you do is you take the pieces, the sides, and you ply them. You fold over, and then you do another side, another side, another side, and you go around a complete circle, and it will look like this. And then what you want to do is the side that you've got done is what you're going to put on the grill, so that way it's sealed. Look how good that crunch wrap looks. I want to thank everybody for watching this quick video on my Taco Bell kit, the Crunch Wrap Supreme. I didn't know if everyone knew that these were out there, so I wanted to do a short video on it. It's definitely one of my favorites, and this is something that you can make at home. And it makes 4 of them. I want to thank everybody for watching this. Please click the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that every time I come on, you know. I want to thank all my subscribers out there. And all the people that are new watching this video, please click the subscribe button. I want you as part of my YouTube family. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. I hope everybody has a great day. Bye-bye.